Motherboard out, ready to install into the case. The case has been stripped down to its minimum. Took all the doors off, ready. Doors around here all off. I took the motherboard tray out. This is the handy feature of this motherboard. You can actually take the tray out and install it on here before you put it in the system. I think that's brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. So now I'm going to install the motherboard. Put all the standoffs on. I've measured them to make sure they're all in the right place, because if you don't have it in the right place you can short the board out. So that's that done. Yeah, so there you go. I've now installed the motherboard in the chassis, which is now going to go back into my Cooler Master case. So it's all screwed in. 9 screws in total. What I'd do is measure each one the distance and then measure the holes just to make sure that the holes line up with the motherboard. So there you go, it's all ready.